Irha, Minhal, and Abeeha arrive with blankets. The rainy nursery shows several empty nests. Margot, Bina, and Shy Fox inspect the blanket pile, while Pip remains visible in a small nest. Margot helps Irha practice a gentle rock. Pip's eyes grow sleepy and calm. Bena guides Minhal to wrap a warm leaf. Minhal completes a tidy little bundle. Abeeha offers a small snack. Shy Fox settles into a calm, steady pose. Irha, Minhal, and Abeeha hold up a three-step plan: gentle rock, snack, and cuddle rotation. Bena shows tired posture. Irha notices the smaller blanket pile and feels concerned. The sisters assign simple jobs, and Margot takes her tidy place to help. Minhal cradles Pip, while Margot stands ready. The chick's eyes slowly close in rest. Calm spreads as Bina tidies blankets and nests. The nursery settles into soft stillness. Asking for help, sharing tasks, and patient kindness keep tiny ones safe and happy.
Time for snacks.
Good night. From Irha, Minhal, and Abeeha. Please like and subscribe now for more cozy stories.